Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the iconic Clash of Clans theme on piano. We'll begin by finding middle C and placing your right hand in the C major 5-finger position. Focus on the main melody's opening phrase, which starts on G. Pay close attention to the rhythm, counting out each note carefully. This initial step is crucial for building a solid foundation for the entire piece, ensuring accuracy from the very first note you play. Next, let's break down the main melody into smaller, manageable sections for your right hand. We'll then introduce the left-hand chords, primarily focusing on C major and G major, played in root position. Coordinate both hands slowly, ensuring the melody and harmony align perfectly. Practice each hand separately before attempting to combine them. This approach helps solidify muscle memory and improves overall synchronization, making the piece flow smoothly. Now, let's add some musicality to your performance by focusing on dynamics and expression. Experiment with playing certain phrases louder or forte, and others softer or piano to create contrast. Consider using the sustain pedal sparingly to connect notes smoothly, but avoid overusing it to maintain clarity. Pay attention to the overall tempo, aiming for a steady, march-like feel. These elements will truly bring the Clash of Clans theme to life. To master this piece, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing slowly, perhaps at half-tempo, using a metronome to maintain a steady beat. Focus on any challenging sections by repeating them 5 to 10 times until they feel comfortable. Once you're confident with individual parts, try playing the entire theme through from beginning to end. Remember to enjoy the process and celebrate your progress as you learn this exciting piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.